The we'll consider the properties. The linearity property: if x of 1 is transformed as x1 of k, x2 of n is transformed as x2 of k, then a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n can be transformed with linearity as a1 x1 of k and a2 x2 of k. The next property, that is time shift property: if we have a signal x of k that is transformed as x of k, then x of n minus n naught can be transformed as x of k multiplied by e to the power of j 2 pi by 2 pi nk by n into n naught, or simply w n to k n naught x of k. The next property, that is conjugate property: if x of n has transformed as x of k, then x star of k can be transformed as x conjugate of minus of k mod n. The next property, frequency shift: if x of n can be transformed as x of k, then wn to k n of x of k can be transformed as x of k minus k naught. This is x of n that is transformed as x of k minus k naught. Property duality: that is, if you have x of n transformed as x of k, then capital X of n can be transformed as n times x of minus k mod of n. Circular convolution is one of the most important topic. Here we convolve in the time domain. The circle indicates its periodic convolution, so it can be transformed as multiplication of transform, that is x1 of k multiplied by x2 of k. So the circular convolution convolves two finite sequence. Its discrete time Fourier transforms are multiplication. This is basically used in 4G phones with LTE standards. The OFDM, orthogonal frequency division multiplexing technique, uses circular convolution. The periodic convolution is for finite length. If we are having infinite length, then we are going to use a linear convolution. Parseval relation: x2 of n can be considered as conjugate of x1 of n. Then we can write x1 square can be transformed as 1 upon n x1 k convolution of x1 star minus of k, that is using multiplication in time. So it can be written as I equal to 0 to n minus 1 x1 of I x1 of star I of minus k. That becomes summation on both the sides. This is a kth DFT coefficient of x1 of n. That is, this equation gets reduced to x1 of I minus k. Set k equal to 0 both the sides, so we'll be getting summation n equal to 0 to n minus 1 mod of x of n square is equal to 1 over n summation I equal to 0 to n minus 1 mod of x of I squared. This is known as Parseval relation.